Hi, I'm Quintin, and I'll be showing you how to change the shareholders' particulars through Sleek's platform. First, you have to log in to the platform with your email address and password. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on Requests, and then choose I would like to request a change of shareholders' particulars and press Create a new request. From there, you will select the shareholder's name, which you would like to change particulars. Then, you will choose the personal information that you would like to change. In this case, the identification document. To update, just fill in his nationality. Tick whether he is a permanent resident in Singapore or working under visa. If he is a Singapore permanent resident, you will provide his NRIC number. Key in his first and last name exactly as it appears in the NRIC. Don't forget to key in the issuance date of the document as well. If all details are correct, just click Next and upload a soft copy of the document. Then click Next, and there you go. Your request is received for processing by our team.